Are we ready to do this episode?
We are ready.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go with lemon.
Let's do it.
Just get right into it.
Okay.
Color, what do you think about this?
I love it. Color speaks to me. This makes me so happy. I
1
love
out of 10.
your oil.
What do you give me?
9.5. Just because we're missing some.
Okay. Yep.
So yeah, let's hit this. Okay, let's talk lemon.
I just kicked your shoe on accident, but let's talk lemon.
Let's talk lemon. Okay, first, let's chat about, like, what does it actually smell like? What does it smell like to you? Do you want to smell it?
I'm pretty sure it smells like lemon.
I know, but if you had to describe it.
Oh, I got to describe it?
Okay.
Do I want to use the pip? Because the pip is like beautifully put.
Sure, use it. That works.
It says unmistakably fresh and familiar. Lemon essential oil offers many benefits and applications, known for its crisp, citrusy aroma. I like that, crisp.
Yeah, yeah. And clean and fresh.
Yes.
Yeah.
All of that.
Okay. One thing we want to chat out is how lemon you can take internally.
Yes.
You know, which I
Yes.
loved. I personally drink lemon every single day. Do you have thoughts on that?
Oh,
Are you a big lemon
I'm a ginger lemon honey tea guy.
Okay. Yes.
And
We've
so-
learned that you're a tea guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are we only talking internal?
No, we can talk all of it. There's so many ways to use lemon. That's what's so great about it. I feel like it's this, I feel like we talk about this all the time, but it's a universal oil that you can use in like the most random ways. Let me tell you one thing about lemon that I love. It's in my cart every month without fail for the last 12 years. I've ordered lemon every single month. And my favorite way to use lemon is, this is kind of random, but any kind of sticky residue.
Yes.
Anything sticky.
Yes.
So my husband's a teacher, anything sticky in the classroom. And then I'm a fashion girl. So you know this sticky, like the dumb stickers at the bottom of shoes? Takes it right off. It's the best. You put it on just a little bit, wipes it right off. It's my favorite thing.
Okay.
So that's kind of like just random uses. How are you using lemon?
Lemon is used for so many different things, cleaning, sticky residue.
Yes.
My boy, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, he's been dying to dye his hair.
Okay.
So
Are you going to talk about bleaching?
No.
Oh.
He put nail polish in his hair.
Oh.
White nail polish.
Yeah.
And I was just like, you know what? I don't even know what to do with him, but
Okay.
I kept it in there. I didn't want to shave it off. But then someone suggested that I use lemon and lemongrass.
To help remove.
To remove.
Oh.
And so I dropped it in there,
Yeah.
took it right out.
Yeah. Lemon's kind of like amazing that way. I feel like it's so powerful. The other one we didn't really touch on is cleaning, DIYs. In spray bottles, in any kind of like home cleaning. It's just the best that way.
Yeah. So I mentioned tea.
Yes.
And the biggest benefit is the digestive benefits.
Okay.
And so ginger, huge on digestive benefits, but also lemon. And so I mix that bad boy up right after dinner.
I love it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Help everything.
What a great mixture too, especially in tea. I'm gonna have to try that.
Tablespoon of tea.
Yeah. I love that. I love that lemon is known as a cleanser, like kind of all things cleansing.
Right.
So internally, externally, topically, it can just really help in that way. Awesome. Very cool. I'm gonna try it.
You ever cook or use lemon with anything?
I do. I've used it like a few different ways. Actually, lemon's great in the kitchen. We have all sorts of recipes that you can add lemon to, and mostly desserts like baking, and then also like fruit dips. It's a good one.
Yeah.
But I say we go into the Doterra Cafe. Let's go try something. What do you think?
Yeah, but you mentioned desserts. I'm big on desserts. So
okay.
you have to prove that.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't just talk about it now, Paige.
Okay, let's go try something in the Doterra Cafe.
Okay.
Let's see what they're making for us. Okay, we're at the Doterra Cafe and we're gonna order a few things with lemon essential oil in them. So let's do this.
All right.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
So good, we're so excited to try some things.
We've been talking a lot about food, smoothies, desserts with lemon oil specifically.
Yes.
And so we wanted to see what type of options you have here with lemon oil.
Okay, so our options are, we have a keto raspberry smoothie.
Oh, awesome.
That has lemon oil in it.
Okay.
We have a lemon meringue pie over there.
Okay, we'll take both. We want to try both
of them?
those. Yes.
You got it.
Please. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay,
Yes.
let me get your pie for you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's just take a pause real quick, check out the blueberries. Even though they talked about, what was it? A raspberry
lemon smoothie. That's what we're going to try in just a minute. Yep.
One cool thing that I do want to mention is a lot of times when you go to stores, you'll see essential oils from other people, other companies, and it'll say pure lemon, but on the bottom it'll say do not ingest.
Yeah, yeah.
Ours actually is approved to ingest.
Yes, yep.
Because it is pure.
Yeah, it's kind of a myth. Well, I mean, in general, we can only speak on behalf of our product.
Right.
But you are allowed.
Matters.
Yes, quality matters, and you are allowed to ingest our lemon essential oil.
So we're about to ingest the lemon essential oil in a smoothie type of way.
Yes, let's
get
do it. Oh, big hit of lemon. I'm getting a big hit of lemon.
Lemon bang this thing.
No, this is really actually good. I want you to try this.
It's good.
It's great.
You taste the lemon?
I give it a 10 out of 10. I think this is, and I'm not even lying. It's so good.
That's
and I've
great.
never ordered that before. First time.
Okay.
Super good.
This pie. We're going to dive into this.
Let's do it. Let's stay ready.
How's it?
It's actually really good.
It is?
Also very strong lemon. That's what's great about lemon. It like
sprinkled it on there.
heightens. Oh my gosh, what's
Hey
up?
guys,
Man,
how are you?
what's up? Or should I say Bonia?
So good
Bonia
to
is
see you
right.
again.
Hey, how are you?
I'm so happy to talk to you.
Yeah, good to see you. What's up?
Okay, so last time we talked about lavender.
Lavender,
Was it
yeah.
lavender?
Yeah, it was lavender.
Yeah.
It was lavender.
But
Yeah.
today, we're going to talk about lemon.
Ooh, fun.
And I said Bonia.
Bonia, yeah.
But where do we source our lemon oil from?
Southern Brazil and Italy, both.
Okay, nice.
Oh,
And I don't know how to say that in Italy, so.
okay. All right, so Southern Brazil, that's where the best lemons are in the world.
Italy and Southern Brazil, we source them from 2 key locations.
Okay.
They're both incredible, and then we blend them together.
Nice. Because when life gives you lemons.
We're prepared.
Yeah, yeah.
100% of the time.
Nice.
Yeah, good call.
Okay, tell us what's a little bit of the sourcing process?
Pretty simple. It's, citrus orchards full of lemon trees,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
They pick the fruit, and then there's a machine process that just scrapes the peel of the lemon fruit.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the oil is hidden. That's where it's kept. And that scraping process exposes the essential oil. They separate off just like all essential oils with water. We have to separate those two, and that's eventually how you get the lemon essential oil, by separating them.
The aromatic compounds.
Yeah.
So tell us how you use lemon. What are some of your favorite ways?
Me personally?
Yeah.
I think it's really easy to put in water and drink it.
Okay.
That's one of my favorites. I have used it in pancake mix.
Oh.
It's really good.
Okay, good to know.
It changes
It's
your
a
pancakes.
fresh way to start the day.
Yes.
Yeah. It's super easy to use in foods. It's super easy to diffuse. There's a lot of easy ways to use it. I think it's very versatile.
Okay, so you were talking about the rind of the lemon.
The rind, yep.
When you open up an orange, when you open up the lemon,
That little sprit that comes off.
is that the essential oil?
Yes. That's exactly what you're getting.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Fun. That's fun to know.
Nice.
And if you take any citrus fruit, take your fingernail, scrape it across the top of the peel.
Yeah.
So it's just that surface right
Yeah.
there. And you'll have it on your fingertip. You can smell it.
That's
It's
so
really, really cool. Awesome. Any other questions?
No, always
Okay.
appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got to run.
We're so grateful you're our expert, and we can't wait to talk to you again.
Wait.
Likewise.
You make things easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Let's go. You gotta drop that in there.
Yeah. See you
Yeah,
guys.
thank you so much. Hi.
Hey,
So good to meet you.
Scott.
Yeah.
Thanks for having
Si.
us.
you bet.
We're
Good.
excited to chat.
Yeah.
Scott, what's your official title?
So I am the Director of Research Substantiation. And people go, well, what does that mean? I basically have a group of scientists that I work with, and we look at all the research that's been published in the literature, and we put documents together to substantiate any claims that we make on our products. And so these are long documents that have all the research housed in them to basically validate claims that we make on our products.
So nothing too important here.
Yeah.
No biggie.
Easy peasy.
That's crazy that you're conquering that. That's amazing. Thank you so much.
All right. So we are talking about lemon,
Mm-hmm.
essential oil, and as much, we've been here. I've been here with Doterra for 7 years. You've been
Close.
part of Doterra for just about the same time.
Yeah.
But lemon oil is like, okay, it's cool. You drop it in your drink. You can add it to desserts. You can clean with it. But now we're going to get down to the science, because you are the science expert when it comes to all essential oils. He's like the dictionary
Yep.
of essential, I would say. One of the wizards.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. I've seen him on video.
Just somebody who spent a lot of time studying them.
Yeah.
So tell us like why lemon is so powerful. That's your breakdown of that.
Well, essential oil, the properties it has really comes down to the chemistry of the essential oils. And so we need to look at what chemicals or constituents are found within individual oils, and then the interplay between all of those constituents, because it's not just one constituent that actually makes those essential oils have those properties and the benefits that we enjoy from them. It's a synergistic and additive and antagonistic effect of multiple constituents within that essential oil. When you look at lemon from a chemistry perspective, you're going to see the top three monoterpenes or constituents in it are going to be limonene. That's its dominant compound, which it shares with a lot of other citrus essential oils. That's something that's commonly seen. Then you have beta-pinene and gamma-terpinene. Those are the three top, and then you'll have several others that are in smaller quantities also in the oil, and that really makes that chemistry is more unique when you would compare it versus maybe a grapefruit or an orange essential oil, that they're like 90% or above limonene, and then they just have small quantities of other things in there. So lemon has a little bit more balanced chemistry, I'd say, of your citrus essential oils.
How do you use lemon? What's your favorite way?
Well, one of the first things when I think of lemon is actually cleansing and as a solvent. So it can help to cleanse surfaces. You can use it to help cleanse your oral cavity. But when you talk about cleansing, you can also talk about dishes. Like I have lemon in my cabinet inside my kitchen at all times.
Yeah.
And I'll mix a little bit of it with some baking soda, and I'll just scrub dishes that are like caked on stuff on them, and it works really well that way. But I also like to talk about it from its solvent perspective, because limonene acts as a natural solvent. And so most people think solvent, oh, that's scary. It's not. Water is a solvent, actually. But because it has that solvent property, it can help get rid of sticky residues. So maybe you need to take a label off a bottle, or you have some sticky stuff in your carpet. My youngest daughter learned that it actually can take gum out of hair. So that's another great thing.
Yeah,
you know, I don't have that problem. So you don't have that problem, but other people might need to know that.
But it can have some shine, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. And then I also like to think of the digestive aid that lemon is. So you mentioned putting it in your water. You know, you're helping aid your digestion by putting it in there. Helps just support overall gastrointestinal function, largely because of that limonene content again. But it also, the research is showing the beta-pinene contributes to that. So having those two major constituents is really helpful. And I like it too because of its aroma. It's really bright and fresh, and so I find it really uplifting. It helps to contribute to both relaxation and uplifting in your environment. So that's another great property of, you know, inhaling the lemon essential oil. And I like to think of it as the oil of balance and centering. And
That's so interesting.
I need that.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Sorry, I was just going to ask, in addition to all those benefits, by the way, talking about cleaning, it's also in the abode line as well.
Yeah.
It's one of the biggest oils, right, in that?
Yeah, it is. It is. That's part of the cleansing properties that we talk about. It's been tested to have activity against a variety of different unwanted organisms in the environment.
Huh.
And I love that it does that because it's considered a very mild oil, but it's still powerful. So just because it's mild doesn't mean it doesn't have great effects.
Yeah.
And the reason I bring that up is because I remember in Hawaii, our local store, the cash register lady, she had a slice of lemon right next to her. And so every time she would take somebody's cash, she would...
Oh.
That's the lemon?
Interesting.
Yeah, I just thought of that when you were saying.
So interesting. That's
well,
so
you
cool.
should have told her that lemon oil would be more powerful than the juice off of that lemon.
Yeah.
But she knew that it had some type of cleaning
That's so fun. Tell us what sets our lemon apart. We've kind of been discussing how our lemon you can take internally, but we get a lot of comments on social media that, oh, you can't take lemon oil internally, and like there's a little bit of a struggle there. Tell us what sets us apart. Why is ours different?
Well, you can trust the oil. Ours are the most tested essential oils in the world. We have experts that look at the chemistry from a perspective of, is it pure? Is it any adulteration? We obviously don't let that come into our supply chain, but we also look at it from a chemistry perspective on, does it have the right ratio of constituents to be effective? And so I think that our testing process really sets all of our essential oils apart, because we go to great lengths to ensure that we have the best oils on the market that are pure and are going to give you consistent and reliable results.
Very cool. It's fun. It's fun to know that we've got that like backing us. That's so cool.
I'm just glad he's backing us, because
Yeah.
he has, you're just full of, I'm looking at all these books. I imagine you got all those pages memorized.
Yeah, I do. I just...
Totally memorized. Well, thank you so much. You've
Thank you so
helped
much,
so
Scott.
much, and I'm excited to share this on the show. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Your knowledge has been incredibly valuable.
Yep, thanks for the chat.
Yeah.
Thanks, Scott.
Awesome. Okay, so we have reviewed lemon essential oil today. We've talked about the sourcing. We've talked about the science. And we talked about how to use it. Yeah, ways to implement it into your life. We'd love to hear your review on this oil. Let us know what you think of it. Let us know how you're using it. And also like and subscribe. Follow us on the podcast. Follow us on YouTube. And we've got more oils to talk about next week. See you next week.
These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.